Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mitch from Mitchel Toy Photography. I just wanted to give you a closer look at this collapsible playset from ReadySetz. This is the space base, and I just want to show you how easy it is to set up. You just unfold it. There's 3 tabs here that fit into 3 slots. Put them in like that. Folds down and opens up. This platform secures with Velcro. And the last part to setting it up is just sliding this platform into place until it locks. And that's it. So once it's set up, it's really sturdy. I did a video earlier where I put 16 pounds of books onto this platform, and it didn't even flinch. It was really solid. I actually think you'd have a hard time putting so many toys onto this playset that it would affect it structurally. So load it up with stormtroopers, put a couple of Rancors, no problem. But what I really love about this playset is how many stories I know I'll be able to get out of it and shoot so many photos. You have a lower floor that has these doors that open up to an interior space, and it has another door where you can go further back even, which is really amazing. Swing it around to this side, and there's a medical bay with a couple of beds, where undoubtedly there will be a couple of injured stormtroopers that probably won't survive. Up on top, you have 3 platforms where you could shoot as well. Different angles, different designs. Very nice. I think you could get some dynamic shots from this side angle, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm looking at it, and you have a lot of depth that goes back. It'll be amazing. Coming around to the back, you can see it's fully printed. There's a lot of detail, which means more story opportunities. Again, we have some doors here that open up. You have this view onto the main platform. And this playset actually comes with a ramp that if you wanted to, you could put in here and get a few more shots with different things happening. I could easily see Wall-E flying up or down this ramp. I might do that. Coming around to this side, again, more printing, more details, another door. Wonderful details. So the printing quality on this is beautiful. It's printed in the USA. I believe it's also manufactured in the USA. I don't think you're going to have any issues with warpage or anything like that. The cardboard is really sturdy and thick. The edges are folded over, so it's double thickness. I can easily see this lasting for years. And I'm rough with this stuff, so that's saying something. Okay, so when you're done, you just unlatch it there. The tabs come back out. Lay it flat. Fold it up, and it comes with a box. You could put it back in the box and it'll fit under your bed or in a closet, no problem. So I hope that gives you a better idea of what this playset is and the opportunities it gives you, the quality. If you have any questions, reach out to me on my blog, my website, Instagram. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching, guys.